Welcome, everyone. Today, we're delving into the art of flirting, that subtle dance of attraction that can leave hearts racing and sparks flying. Flirting is more than just a playful exchange. It's a skill that, when mastered, can captivate and charm. For some people, flirting comes naturally. For others, not so much. But that's okay, because anyone can improve their flirting skills. It's never too late to step up your game. Knowing how to flirt can mean the difference between creeping someone out and actually getting a date with them. And the best thing about flirting is that you don't need to look like a supermodel in order to be successful at it. You just have to know how to act and when to act. So, if you're ready to learn the subtle techniques that drive women wild, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Number 5. The power of eye contact. Eye contact is a fundamental aspect of human communication and plays a crucial role in flirting. When engaging in flirtatious interactions, maintaining strong eye contact demonstrates confidence, interest, and sincerity. It shows that you are fully present and engaged in the conversation, signaling to the other person that you find them captivating and worthy of your attention. Moreover, eye contact can convey a range of emotions and intentions. A lingering gaze can communicate attraction and desire, while a playful twinkle in the eye can convey humor and flirtation. However, it's essential to strike the right balance. Prolonged eye contact can come across as intense or even intimidating, while avoiding eye contact altogether may suggest disinterest or shyness. The key is to maintain natural, relaxed eye contact that communicates warmth and openness, inviting the other person to engage further. Number 4. Playful banter and teasing. Playful banter and teasing add an element of spontaneity and fun to flirtatious interactions. It involves light-hearted teasing, witty exchanges, and playful challenges that create a sense of rapport and camaraderie. Banter allows individuals to showcase their wit, humor, and personality, while building a connection based on shared laughter and mutual enjoyment. The key to successful banter is to keep it light, humorous, and respectful. Avoid topics that could be sensitive or offensive, and be mindful of the other person's boundaries and comfort level. Playful teasing should never be mean-spirited or hurtful. Instead, it should be lighthearted and playful, enhancing the flirtatious dynamic and fostering a sense of connection. Number 3. Genuine compliments. Genuine compliments are a powerful tool in flirting, as they allow individuals to express admiration and appreciation for each other's qualities and characteristics. However, it's crucial to offer compliments sincerely and authentically, focusing on specific traits or actions that genuinely impress or resonate. When giving compliments, be genuine and specific. Avoid generic or insincere compliments that feel forced or superficial. Instead, focus on qualities or behaviors that you genuinely admire, whether it's someone's sense of humor, intelligence, style, or kindness. By offering genuine compliments, you can make the other person feel valued, appreciated, and attractive, deepening the connection and building rapport. Number 2. Body language and nonverbal cues. Body language plays a significant role in flirting, as it can convey interest, attraction, and intention without the need for words. Positive body language cues, such as open posture, smiling, and leaning in, signal warmth and receptiveness, encouraging further interaction. Mirroring the other person's body language can create a sense of rapport and connection, fostering a deeper sense of intimacy and understanding. Additionally, subtle touches or gestures can communicate interest and affection, heightening the flirtatious dynamic and building anticipation. However, it's essential to be mindful of the other person's boundaries and comfort level. Respect their personal space and avoid any physical contact that could be perceived as invasive or inappropriate. Number 1. Creating tension and anticipation. Creating tension and anticipation is a subtle yet effective technique in flirting that can intensify attraction and desire. By introducing an element of mystery, unpredictability, or intrigue into the interaction, individuals can keep the other person engaged and intrigued. This could involve teasing with playful innuendos, leaving conversations on a cliffhanger, or hinting at future encounters. Creating tension and anticipation builds excitement and longing, fueling the desire for further interaction and connection. However, it's essential to strike the right balance and avoid being too elusive or mysterious, as this could lead to confusion or frustration. Instead, provide enough hints and signals to keep the other person intrigued and interested, while still leaving room for curiosity and anticipation. By honing these skills with practice and finesse, you can create engaging, enjoyable, flirtatious interactions that leave a lasting impression and drive attraction. So, go forth with confidence and let your playful charm work its magic. If you've reached this point, comment 100 to confirm you've got the knowledge from this video. Hit that like button, also subscribe, and be a part of it.